big day in the sports world in Colorado. It's a big day here at DNVR. Let's go down the shirt, right? We've got Rockies playing the Cubs. We got the Avs playing. We've got the Avs Party Bus. That's what I'm going on. And then, of course, the Nuggets start their playoff run. This is your party ticket, dude. This means you like to party. Since we can't really shoot video of the Avs game 30 minutes before puck drops, I'm just going to get onto the Avs bus, see what the party is like there. Then we're going to get an Uber back here to DNVR, and then we'll be able to check out what's going on with the Nuggets watch party.
You guys up 30 minutes after, right over there, and be sure to tip your bus driver. There's Venmo sheets right there. Tipper, she's amazing, and go Avs! Back to the bar because the bar's packed for game 1, Nuggets. It's gonna be wild.
Nuggets, baby. I've got a hat back at the bar.
Okay. Well, I thought that video was going to take a turn there. That was
You down bad, Adam?
Down bad, man. That was a discouraging.
Were you really expecting different though?
Not really. Kind of went, but it still sucks when it happens.
So what were we saying headline-wise? Was the Denver Nuggets Game 1 blowout loss?
Still, what's the most concerning thing about the Denver Nuggets' blowout loss?
Therapy session time. Listen, our people need us. Our people being us, we need us.
That was an ass whooping.
The bar right now is like in a weird in-between vibes place. All the sad Nuggets fans have filed out, and the Colorado Avalanche Party Bus is on its way back here, and I expect it to be a little more livelier when they get back.
Oh shit. That thing's dope. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
The 5 rebounds in ways never before seen. No one has ever gone from 100 to 0 back to 100 so perfectly. What's wild is Monday is going to be equally as busy. Rockies, Avs, and Nuggets all playing at the same time. I think this video is clear proof as to where you should be watching those games.